Today for math, you will need 5 counters. I'm using buttons today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will need a pencil. And you will need your work mat for lesson 1-6. Lesson 1-6. All right, so gather your supplies and put your name on your paper. Pause the video if you need to. And then we will be ready to start. All right, so today we are going to work on reading and writing the number 4 and the number 5. So using your counters, let's look on this lily pad. There are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 dragonflies. So you pretend like your counters are dragonflies, and let's put 1, 2, 3, 4 dragonflies on this lily pad. Now the number 4 is a little tricky to make. We're going to have to pick up our pencil in the middle of the number. So you start up here at the sky, and you're going to go down to the dotted line and then slide over. Then you're going to pick up your pencil, and you're going to start at the sky and go all the way down to the grass. Okay, so let's try that again. So you're going to start on the sky, go down to the airplane line, slide over, pick up your pencil, and go all the way down to the grass that time. So starting on the sky, down to the plane line, slide over, pick up your pencil, and all the way down to the grass. This is the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the number 5, we are going to put on this lily pad. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frogs. So let's pretend like our counters are frogs. Can you put 5 counters on this lily pad to show 5 frogs? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frogs on this lily pad. So the way that they're showing you how to make the 5 on the picture, you start at the sky and you go down to the plane line. Then he has a big tummy, and you come up and give him a hat. Okay, so he starts here, you go down to the plane line, give him a big tummy, and come up and give him a hat. Down to the plane line, give him a tummy, pick up your pencil, and give him a hat. So this is the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job making the number 4 and 5. So take your counters off your paper and turn your paper over. And we're going to use our counters to help us count. And then we'll write the number. We're going to practice writing each number 3 times. So let's touch and count first. How many butterflies? How many pink butterflies? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so remember with the 4, starting at the sky, down to the plane line, over, back to the sky, all the way down to the grass. Starting at the sky, down to the plane line, over, sky, all the way down to the grass. Make the number 4. Great job. We'll pick up our counters. Now, let's make sure you're holding the pencil correctly. Points at you. Get your pinchers. Pick it up. Roll it back. How many butterflies? Let's touch and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we start at the sky, down to the plane line. He has a tummy and a hat. Practice making your number 5. Great job. Right, the last one. How many yellow butterflies? 1, 2, 3, 4. Put our counters on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to write the number. 4. Whenever you write a number, you always start at the sky. All numbers start at the sky. It's a little trick. Okay, so now we're going to do these by yourself. You're going to count how many frogs and write the number. We're practicing writing it 3 times. How many frogs and write the number. Here, they give you the number. And so you're going to need to use counters to show the number. So what number is this? Did you say 4? That would be correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when you pick your counters up, you're going to need to draw them on here so that we can see that you know how to count to 4. So 1, and every time I pick one up, I'll draw it. 2, 3, 4. And that's all you're going to do on the bottom. Here you're going to count the frogs and write the number. Count the frogs and write the number. Okay? All right, great job. I will see you tomorrow.